Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain you a problem related to arrays, and the question is given an array of numbers from 1 to n and a number is missing in the array, that is array size is n minus 1. For example, if the array, let us take an example like array is having 1, 4, 3 and 2, and here let us take this as 5, and here 4 is missing, so n given is 5. In the question n will be given as 5 and here 4 is missing. So how to find it? There are three methods to solve this problem. So let us go with the first method, brute force method, and in this we check for every number and compare with the natural numbers in sequence. See here, starting from I equal to 1 to I less than or equal to n. Why less than or equal to n? Because n is the given number. And this is very important to take flag equal to 0 here. So here we need two loops. This loop is for the numbers starting from 1 to n, to compare the numbers from 1 to n, and we are going to compare it with the numbers in array, stored in arrays. See, I am comparing I with array of j, and this loop is starting from 0 and going to j less than n minus 1, because for example we are taking this as pi, and here indexes are from 0, 1, 2 and 3. Less than n minus 1, we should go till less than n minus 1, means 5 minus 1 less than 4. So we need to traverse up to from 0 to 3. So we should remember this and write the code. And see here, I am checking from 1 onwards. Let us take an example of this array and let us traverse the code. See, it's starting I equal to 1 and flag equal to 0. We are checking 1 with the first index of array, first element of array. So I equal to array of j, yes, it is true. Then flag will be 1 and the loop is broken, this j loop is broken, and now it checks if flag equal to 0, then only return I, because if flag equal to 0 after j loop, then the number is missing, that number has to be returned, and the number is I. So missing number will not be there in array, right? So this one should be returned. So now when flag equal to 1, this condition is false and this statement will not execute, and I plus plus, and I equal to 2. Again from in j loop we are going to check from 0 to n minus 1 all the elements whether 2 is present. 2 is present. So flag equal to 1 and break. Again flag is not equal to 0. Again I plus plus, and 3 is present. Flag is 1 not 0. And then 4. We are going to check for 4, and up to even after checking 4 elements also, the flag value is 0. Then the number 4 is missing. We find it. So we return it. So for this, the time complexity is order of n cross n, and auxiliary space needed is order of 1. Means in order of 1 we need not use any space here. In method 2, using formula, this is using formula, we can optimize this time complexity order of n cross n to order of n here. Using formula, I think all of you know that sum of n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2, and if to get the missing number, This is a formula. What we need to do is, from the sum of n natural numbers, we are going to subtract the sum of the array elements. Then we are going to get the missing number. Time complexity for this is order of n, because we need to take the sum of array elements, and auxiliary space needed is order of 1. And method 3, this is also similar to the formula, but it also is same, because it also takes time complexity as order of n and space complexity order of 1. But this is another method and easy one. See here. Here we are going to do XOR operation. I think you know XOR operation. What is XOR operation? For example, I will tell a small example for this. XOR means, see, if there are same number, if there is a same number, then we are going to the output is 0. And if there are different numbers, different means 0 and 1, then we are going to keep its output as 1. So here both are different, so output is 1. Here both are same, so output is 0. Here both are same, 0. Here both are same, 0. So this is the XOR operation. So what happens here is, when we do XOR for similar numbers, then the output is 0, like that. So, and XOR with 0 with any number, the output is that number. So now we are going, here we are going to do XOR with first n natural numbers, and we are storing in XOR, and also XOR of the array. Then see here, see, this XOR is storing, first initial value of XOR is 0, and all the loop elements I am writing. See, from 0 to n minus 1 we are doing, from where we will get 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is n minus 1, because our n value is 5. And also arrays also I am writing all the array elements. What are our array elements? 1, 2, 3 and 5, because 4 is our missing number. See here, and 0, 0, 0 there is no problem, and 1 XOR 1 is cancelled, and 2 XOR 2 is cancelled, 3 XOR 3 is cancelled, and at last we should return XOR of again we should do with n, because there is no index array of n, right? So we are taking loop up to less than n minus 1, and we need to do it separately at last. So XOR of n is 5, right? 5, and 5 is also cancelled. And at last, what is stored in the XOR variable? 4 is stored, and 4 is the missing number, right? I think you get it. Thank you.